Alright, here we've got a nice little finishing tool. Come up, my neighbor, they consigned it. It's got a 12-foot base, and it's got 4-foot fold-down wings. So you got a total of 20 foot. It's got Danish tine para teeth on it, field cultivator teeth, and it's got a rolling basket. Bearings are a little stiff on it, but everything moves. It's hydraulic up and down in the back. They've designed this so you can hook it onto a drill or something if you want to pull a drill behind it. That's what that 3-point caddy is. It's equipped with a cylinder. Pretty neat deal. Looks like it did a good job of finishing, but they hadn't used it. I sold them a finished tool, and they said they are never going to use it again after using the finished tool. So it's here. Going to sell absolute on Tractor House auction. Yeah, it doesn't matter.